In the Tao Te Ching, it says, by letting go, it all gets done. And it's a powerful mantra. The word mantra is simply a word or series of words that act as a bridge between the mind and the body. This is a powerful mantra for encouraging purification. By repeating the words, let go, it's an incredible way to let go and release any resistances that are blocking your own divine self, your own divine energy coming through, and for manifesting what you're really meant to be. So let's open those doorways, coming back to the breath. Be joyful in the breath. Be steady in your breath. Allow yourself to breathe fully, deeply. Observe your breathing with equanimity. Allow your thoughts to easily and effortlessly come and go. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold a thought. Simply let go. Our only task here is to encourage the process of letting go. The movement of breath is essential in this practice of letting go. Being mindful of your breathing, being aware of your body. Be sure that you're sitting in a relaxed, upright position. Allow your shoulders to fully drop. Your eyes are gently closed. Your mouth is gently closed. Your hands can just lay in your lap with the palms nestled one into the other if you'd like, the palms upright. I think of this as the gesture of receiving, and you'll often see pictures of the Buddha in this position, the gesture of receiving. What are you willing to receive? What are you asking to receive? By letting go, it all gets done. By letting go, it all gets done. So let's begin our letting go meditation. If there's to be a purpose in this meditation, it's very simply to invite clarity, to let go of thoughts, and to invite awareness. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose, in through the nose, out through the nose. In our letting go meditation, be mindful of what does not serve you, what does not support you in being the most radiant, positive being that you are meant to be. You are here to have the most healthy, beautiful, radiant, joyful, physical experience in the earthly realm. Staying with your breath in through the nose, out through the nose. As we say these affirmations, just very gently allow them to come into your body and to depart. So inhaling, we're going to say the word let. Exhaling, we're going to say the word go. Inhaling, we'll invite positive, radiant energy. And on each exhalation, let's be mindful of what we are ready to let go of what does not serve us. Perhaps it's an imbalanced relationship, something you said to a loved one, or at your place of work that you just wish you might take back. Whatever it is, this is your opportunity each and every time you sit to practice your letting go meditation to just let it go. Inhaling the word let. Exhaling the word go. Inhaling the word let. Exhaling the word go. Inhaling let. Exhaling go. Inhaling, I invite calm. Exhaling, I let go of anxiety. Inhaling, I invite healing. Exhaling, I let go of dis-ease. Inhaling, I invite gratitude. Exhaling, I let go of resentment. Inhaling, I invite serenity. Exhaling, I let go of fear. Inhaling, I invite tolerance. Exhaling, I let go of prejudice. Inhaling, I invite balance. Exhaling, I let go of what does not serve me. Inhaling, I invite harmony. Exhaling, I let go of my bitterness. Now you can gently choose whatever works for you and whatever you'd like most to invite into your life and what you'd most like to be rid of. Just stay with your breath. Allow the beautiful pulse of the letting go track of music just guide you, take you wherever you need to. Inhaling, inviting balance. Exhaling, letting go of what does not serve you. Stay with your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go. Be the silent witness to any areas of discomfort in the body, in the mind, and in your spirit. Allow your breath to guide you. Allow your breath to serve you. It's been said that once we steady our breath, we steady our mind. Therefore, we steady our actions. So when we feel like we're harried and we're just totally stressed and we can't take it anymore, come back to your breathing. Come back to your center. Come back to your true self, the self that knows peace, that knows gratitude, that knows harmony. The true self that is loving, radiant, and pure.